So I'm in the workshop and I'm going to try to fit my spare tyre carrier to the Amarok today, but it is this much too big. So here is the tyre carrier. Now, first thing is this base bit is a bit too long, but that's only a small problem. The tyre fits, but when I put the tyre on the carrier, it moves it away from the canopy by about 20-25 mil, and I can't close the tailgate. My plan, I need to make the tyre flush with the canopy, but still on the bracket. A little nervous. This is a brand new tyre carrier. So what's stopping it is these pieces here and here are touching the tyre and not allowing the tyre to come back any further. I've got this bit of kit. I can't even remember what this thing was called. I'll show you how this works. To get this angle here, right, I can have this thing straight and bend this until the angle is the same. So now I can transfer that angle to there. I can flip it over, get that one. Let's see what happens. Well, it is done, and it looks pretty good. Have a look at this. So now I just need to give it a little bit of white paint. Paint has dried and it looks pretty good. Reassemble it, chuck it on the ute, chuck the tyre on. This might have just worked. This is cool. Yes. I'm gonna try to line it up with the uni-strut on the inside. I reckon that's where it's gonna go. Dead on. Nice measuring. Job done. I'm pretty happy. I was a bit concerned because I could have just damaged it and ruined a perfectly good tyre carrier, but no, it's fitted. And I've got what I kind of planned on doing, which is have everything fit inside of the tray. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like one. Cheers.